Today, I will share you a completely free Python app that combines two of the world's most popular productivity systems into one simple tool. I'm working on a serious Python automation project where I'll be releasing more free apps to help you save hours every week. So, if you don't want to miss them, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's see how this app works. This app is built entirely using AI and Python. And the best part? You don't need to install Python to run it. Just download the app using the link in the description and it's ready to use. Once you launch the app, you'll see a clean, modern, and powerful interface that's easy to use. This app combines the Pomodoro timer and the Eisenhower Matrix into one powerful productivity tool to make time management simple and effective. Now here, you can see the 4 sections where you can create and manage your tasks. Let's start with the first section, where you can create all your urgent and important tasks by clicking this Add button. Now simply enter your task name and save it. You can create as many tasks as you need by clicking the Add button again. You can also edit the task name by clicking the Edit button and delete it using the Delete button provided. Once you've added all your tasks to the first section, move on to the next one, where you can create your important but not urgent tasks. Once you've created all your tasks in the second section, move on to the third section, where you can add your urgent but not important tasks. Finally, we have the Eliminate section. This is where you can add tasks that you should ideally avoid, eliminate, or leave until the very end if they can't be avoided. Now that you've created all your tasks, here's one of the best features of this app. You can easily reorder tasks within the same section based on their priority, so your most important tasks always stay at the top. And that's not all. You can also drag and drop any task from one section to another whenever its priority changes, making it easy to keep your task list organized. Once a task is completed, simply check the box next to it to mark it as complete. The completed task will automatically move to the bottom of its section, keeping your active tasks at the top. On the left, you'll find a dedicated Pomodoro timer to help you stay focused and manage your time more effectively. By default, the timer is set to 25 minutes. To begin your Pomodoro session, simply click the Start button. Now the Pomodoro timer has started. If you need to take a break, click Pause to pause the timer. And whenever you want to start over, just click the Reset button. You can also customize the Pomodoro time settings to match your workflow. For this, go to the Settings icon on top. And now, I'll set the focus session to 55 minutes, the short break to 7 minutes, and the long break to 20 minutes. I'll also configure the app to start a long break after every 3 focus sessions by changing this value to 3. Once you're happy with the settings, simply click Save to apply the changes. If you ever want to restore the default Pomodoro settings, simply open the settings again and click the Use Defaults button. This will reset all the timer settings to their default values. Now I'll show you an insane feature of this Python application. And this insane feature is the shrink mode. This feature shrinks the application into a compact window that you can easily drag and place anywhere on your screen. In this view, all your tasks are neatly arranged one below the other, making them easy to follow while taking up very little screen space. If you plan to use this app every day, this compact mode can significantly improve your productivity. Its purpose is to keep your tasks visible while giving you plenty of screen space to work, so the app never gets in your way. Now you can simply click the Restore button to return the app to its original size. You'll also notice the short break and long break timers displayed at the top, so you always know what's coming next in your Pomodoro cycle. Now, here's one of the most important features of this app. When you close it, you'll notice that it creates 2 JSON files. These files automatically save all your tasks and settings. So, when you open the app again, everything is restored exactly as you left it. None of your tasks are lost. If you found this app helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm building more free AI-powered Python productivity tools, and you won't want to miss the upcoming videos.